Alright y'all, so today we're going to be making some jackfruit ice cream. So we used jackfruit last week as well, and we had some left over, so we're going to make some ice cream. So we got about 2 cups of the fruit. We've got some coconut milk, some heavy whipping cream, some sugar, and some vanilla. Super simple, super easy. We also have our ice cream maker. We have the ice and the ice cream salt for it. Follow your ice cream maker's instructions. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright, y'all. So we have our blender here. And we're going to take 2 cups of our jackfruit. A little more if you want. Not going to hurt anything. Take a cup of our coconut milk. Take a tablespoon of our vanilla. Then we're just going to go ahead and blend this up really well. Once we blended that up pretty well, we got a good pulp going with our jackfruit. We're going to take 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Then we're going to take a cup and a half of our heavy cream. And then we're going to go ahead and just give that a quick mix. Now all we got to do is throw this in our ice cream machine. Follow the instructions of our ice cream machine. Let me go get mine. So I got my ice cream canister right here. Go ahead. I'm going to pour my custard in there. And go ahead and close that up. Pouring over the bucket. Now, like I said, go ahead, follow the instructions of your ice cream maker. Now I'm just going to go ahead, plug this in, and I'm going to churn mine till it's about a soft serve ice cream. In this particular ice cream maker, that takes about an hour, hour and a half. Again, just follow instructions per your ice cream machine. When I have ice cream, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there you have it, jackfruit ice cream. Like I said, I like mine at the soft serve consistency, so it is. But if you like this recipe, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There is a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.